Yeah, now.
So I was trying to activate it. So okay, it is now live.
It's live now.
See it. So let's just quickly wait for others to join as well. Let's wait for them to join so we can continue.
I'm going no. I'm going no.
So basically this will be our first be having for 2025 base content. Like this is a YouTube video type. Let's just give them 4 minutes. So by 8:15 we will just start. Yes, yes, yes. So one more person. We are already having about so can you guys see my chat?
Yeah, I can see him.
Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Is it from my end or from your end? Can you guys see my chat?
We can see it, sir.
Can you guys hear my okay. Was I was like maybe it's the net. because the network is quite slow from my end. I think it's 8:15 already. So let's just one more person, then we'll be adding him soon to the class. So, but before then, let's just quickly wrap up the class for the week. Like, what are the opportunities we might likely get for the week? So now, from this chart, what can you see? This is a so let's start afresh. So what can you see on this chart? Basically, what can you see? Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Yeah.
So I said, basically, what is this chart doing? What can you see on this chart?
A trend.
We can let me see.
So
A
it
trending
starts
market
with
now.
him in what type of trending market?
I say,
Did you hear me?
and
Yes, I can hear you, Chris. I can hear you.
it, it looks
Try
like an up.
local. Uh,
Chris, you said what?
I dey try
It
look
looks
am
like
too
an
now.
uptrend.
So now you said it looks like an uptrend. Chris, do you agree with that?
Yes.
So now why do you say it's an uptrend?
You can see that the market is creating higher highs and higher low, but it has not broken the structure yet, sha.
So now uh the market is looking like what? A downtrend from this 4 hour time frame.
You wait.
Why? Because it is creating what? Something in this structure. But one thing you will notice is that we are seeing like what? An equal low here. And what? This is what something like an equal high. Is it an equal high? Okay, a bit above it. Then we have what? But on this 4 hour time frame, it's looking like what? A downtrend. If you look at it very well, it's looking at it like a downtrend. But why we are not going to call it a downtrend? What is the rule? The rule is for a downtrend, we should see what? Higher highs and what? Lower highs and what? Lower lows. Something in this nature. So price needs to what? Come and take out these lows, these lower lows, and create what? A new one. Before we can say this thing is fully what? This is fully a downtrend. We should see minimum of two what? Two lower highs and what? Lower lows. Before we can say okay, this is fully what? A downtrend. We have to see minimum of what? Two lower highs and what? Lower lows. Then also for a downtrend is forming something in this nature. An uptrend rather, is forming something in this nature. We'll be seeing what? Higher highs and what? Higher lows. So price needs to what? Come and take out these highs. Price don't need to take out the lows. It needs to what? Take out the highs. But in this case now, what can you see price doing now? Price is what? Is not taking out these lows. Price needs to come and take out these lows. That's why we are saying what? There's still potential for this thing to what? To go up. Why? Because it is not taking out what? These recent lows. This is a low that price created. Price is meant to what? Come and take this low out in order to respect what? The downtrend. Also, and this price for us to say it is bullish, it is meant to what? Create higher highs as well. And now it's not creating higher highs. It's like what? this price is ranging within zone this particular zone and what this zone between this zone. So price is in a range within this particular zone. And now we want this is a 4 hour time frame. Let's just scale down to 1 hour time frame to also see what is going on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, we are having something in this nature. You can see that the price is what ranging in between this what resistance and what and this support. And how do you trade the ranging market? You buy what? You buy from your support and sell from your what? Your resistance. That's how you trade the ranging market. So now currently price is at this level. You are looking for an opportunity. And like I normally say the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. So now we are looking for opportunity to to buy this thing, opportunity to buy this market. Why? Because we can see from this 1 hour time frame, price is currently creating what we call this is like a bullish momentum, and now it is creating a support. This is a support right here for price to to move up. And between this range and this range is a large peep, about 1238 pips move between this range. So we can't just say we are expecting price to come back to this level, then we buy. We are to just look for nearest support, and this is a more mini 1 hour time frame rather. So which is where is our nearest support to price points? Are we having any support? Yes, which is this level, because this was a formal support, it turned to a resistance, and now it's back at as a support, and price is currently on that level. If you check it, price is currently on that level. Then do we have another level again to consider? I think we also have another level around here. Currently price is at at our support level, as a support level, and we can't just take the trade at this time. Can't take a trade at this time because it's not healthy enough for us to take trade by this time. Okay, I think we also have a past level here as well. Let's see. Okay, we also have a level here as well. This is like a past level that price came to to respect. And if you check it, price has also respected the level once, then come back. Can you see? So this level also is also like a level of interest for us to to enter for this particular buy trade. So now we already know that we are looking for opportunity to buy this trade, and we've already marked out some supports that are closer to price points, which is this is a support that is closer to price points, because price has already tested on this level before. So what we should also expect is, even if we had one more confluence, which is our trend line, I think our trend line is also pointing at this level. But for us to say a trend line is valid, we need to see at least The trend line should have at least two touches, and this is one touch, then what, two touch, then wait for the what, third touch, something in this nature. Let's see if we have like a what, a correctional pattern, and price should correct itself and look for opportunity to buy back to this level, then buy it back to this previous resistance. So that would be my bias on gold. My bias on gold will be for us to buy. Then we'll be risking what, 20 pips. Hope you guys are getting it. The reason why we are buying this trade.
Mm-hmm.
That's a pips. So now this trade is 1:8. That is, we are using one to what, to get 8. When we reach 1, we get 8 in return. That's a good trade if you ask me. So we just wait for this trade. So I'm looking forward to sell this trade from 2614.77 back to my what, to my resistance at this play. To be on the safe side, let me just do it to this particular resistance, because the rule says what, buy from your support, sell from your what, your resistance. So if we are buying from our support, we target our what, our nearest resistance. As easy as that. Firstly, you identify the structure. What is the trend? Market structure. What is the structure of the trend? It is what, looking what, bullish. Then you try to what, mark out your zones, or bearish. Mark out your zone, potential level, which is your what, your key level. Support, your resistance, and also your what, your trend line. So now if this trade was to get activated, we'll be having about 4 out of 4 confluence. Why did I say that? First, we have the market structure telling us that what, we've seen minimum of 2 higher highs and what, higher lows, which is this. This is another high. Then this is a support level. So we've seen already minimum of 2, and price is at what, at a level. Let's just wait for it to just drop about how many pips. Yes, I think there's also a minor level here as well. I just saw it now. Can you guys see this level? This level. I just saw
Yo,
it now.
damn, man.
That level. So we might now be having like 2 point of interest. Are you guys with me? Because there's also
Yeah.
another level here now. And price has also what, expected that level. Something like this. Make this the support, break below, break above, expected that level again, came back, respected that level again, pushed up. Can you see? Can you see how price has been reacting to that level as well? So now let us also watch out for this particular level as well. So either of the two, this level, anywhere we are seeing a what, a correctional pattern, then we watch, we try and look for opportunity to what to buy. So even if it is here, then we target this level. 1:3 is still a good trade if you ask me. I just saw the level now, and the level might just price might just come back and respect that level, then push back up about 98 pips. Fair enough. So let's just see how the market reacts to these levels. Let me just place this here. Let's see. Let's see how price react to these levels, this level and this level. So anywhere we are seeing what price action, we are seeing like a correctional pattern. What are the correctional pattern we are looking for? If we see what an M pattern, then what we look for opportunity to buy this trade up. So that's my own bias. I just saw the level now and I was like, yo, price might also what expect this level, because this level is more closer to price point than this one. And the trend line, we also have what we call what a trend line intersection at this level, at this place. Can you see where support and trend line meets? That's also a valid zone for the buy. So let's see if we get like a double bottom, triple bottom, or even candlestick formation. So on GU, I've been looking at GU for quite some time now, and I was expecting to sell from this particular level, but I was like, let me just wait and see if I'll get like a double top today and see how the price will, because we don't trade on Monday. Monday is for us to look at for what might happen throughout the week. And price is currently at a what at a level. This is a support level. Price is at the support level. So let's just see. Price might just do something in this nature, push back up, then create like a correctional pattern, then sell. But we don't know yet. But just note that if a trending market goes into a range, it is likely to what continue the trend that the market has been before the range. And now, what was the trend? The trend is what a downward trend before this particular range. What this range? So it might likely just what come back and what respect this particular range. Then if we are seeing any retest, then we might just look for opportunity to sell it down, because that's the rule. So I'm not really seeing a good opportunity on GU, only if it was. Let me see. If it comes down, we are seeing like a drop. Then what? I'll just wait for a retest back to this level. So this will be my bias on GU. But for now, I'm seeing neutral on this trade. I'm neutral on it. No trade on GU. Let's see GJ. What GJ is giving us. Currently on 4 hour time frame, I think GJ is creating like what I never said and shoulder. Can you see? It's like an ever said and shoulder type of data. Ever said and shoulder type of structure. So if we have to trade this thing, I might just say we wait for GU to just come down and give us a reason to sell, to buy it back. Wait. Or it just breaks structure, Then we see wait for a what a retest, something like this. So, but if you're not seeing anything like that, you just stay neutral as well. If you're not seeing anything like this, you stay neutral. No trade. So now for now we are only having what like possible opportunity on what on this goal. We might just get a quick trade scalp of 1:4, 1:3, then we are out on GU, on XAU rather gold. So any question? So any question? Anyone has any question?
Understood. Understood.
So you guys so now before we wrap it up, let's quickly check what we are having on news. News event that might what affects pairs that we are going to trade. Monday has gone. On Tuesday, any USD news? So there are like some news, but um, I don't think this news will be very volatile that much because they are not like major news. Then we have on Wednesday we have jobless claims. So we might be having news trade. Let's see, Thursday, nothing on Thursday. Then Friday, unemployment rate. So Friday, we should be trading this particular unemployment rate news, this non-farm payroll by 2:30. We're having a non-farm payroll news by 2:30 Friday. So we'll be trading this one live on this particular YouTube channel. So we'll be trading it live. So you guys should just stay active. Then any particular trade opportunity we're having during the week, I'll also share with you guys as well. You guys can as well follow up with the trades. But keep an eye on this particular gold trade. You can screenshot this is my current chart. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame so you can see it better. So hope you guys can see it now. So can as well have a copy of it. So whenever this thing just drop to either this level or this level, we just see if we are getting what like a double bottom or a what or a triple bottom. Then we buy it, take a buy it up. Maintain proper risk management, 30 pips stop loss, risk just 1% of your account. And this still neutral on them. Let's see what will happen. We might be getting a trade opportunity London session, but New York session tomorrow. But let us just see what will happen. Then I'll call out a trade if you're having any opportunity on GU or what or GG. But for now, we'll be looking into good only for now. Good. Let's see what good has to offer us. So either of these two levels is my point of what of interest. Any question before we call it a day?
At all.
So Before then, let me just quickly take you guys to some question, some class. Today's class normally I'm meant to have our class, so this is just like my own bias on trade. So I said I was going to um, advance you guys more on risk management, how you can manage your risk and all. Hope you guys are able to understand market structure well, and like the uptrend, the trending market, and the downtrend.
Is the Indomie not ready? Is this my own? This is not this one.
So now, based on risk management, let me just quickly give like a quick scenario. So I want you guys to as well follow up with this risk management strategy I'm going to explain to you guys. So now, how you guys can actually um, maximize your wins and minimize your losses. How you guys can go about it? How do we do it? That even at times we do take losses, but at overall we come out with what with wins. Overall we come out with what with gains. So I'll just pick someone to to quickly.
Hello, good
Can
evening,
anyone
sir.
hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So someone should just give me like a random balance, trading balance, a random trading balance.
5,000.
5,000. So
Come on, let's do together.
how much are you willing to risk per trade? Hello, you
One.
said 5,000, 1,000, right? That's 20%.
Yes.
So let's say you have 1:2. That's your risk to reward ratio, RRR. That is, if you are risking 1,000, you are getting 2,000 in return. um, 20 pips stop loss, 20 pips max stop loss. Then you have to take 5 trades. So now we'll be doing like a quick maths on this particular account balance, and let's just name this Chris. So another person should just give me like and I do like, let's say, if I also 5,000, how much are you willing to risk on your own 5,000? For what? For what, can you hear me?
No, yes, I can hear you. Can hear you.
So on your own
Yeah, now.
5,000, how much are you willing to risk?
Like I'll be willing to risk like one lot or around one lot, yeah, one lot size
No, like in amount. How much?
in amount. Ah, maybe like
Yes.
500.
Chris said he's willing to risk 1,000. So based on his own, it's like a
500.
risk. He has high risk appetite. So you are willing to risk 500.
100.
You also have what 1 to 2 risk to reward. RRR. Risk to reward ratios. 20 pips.
5 500. 500.
Yes, yes. 20 pips max. Then five. So I want to quickly do like some risk maths for you guys about risk management, how you can manage your risk and all. Because that's it. Okay. So we have like the two of you have same balance of 5,000, but Chris is willing to risk what? Chris is willing to risk 1,000 per trade. That's 20%, and you are willing to risk what? Just 10% of your account. So now, if Chris is to take 5 trade of 1:5, and let's say out of the 5 trade, he won uh he won let's say three and he lost two. So now mm, eh, so if he's winning 3 trade, that will be how much? How much is he having? So you'll be having that 3 wins is what? 3 times 2. That's 6,000. 6,000. Then 1,000 times 2 times 2. That's 2,000. That's 4,000. So you will be having a balance of what? 2,000 plus 5,000 is 7,000. So now we're having a total balance of what? 5,000. Let's say you as well, you also what? Risk. So this one is just like telling you how most people think. They think it is the more you hold your trade, for how long you are holding your trade, is what will give you more money, which is not that. It is how much are you putting? Because it is higher your capital you are putting, the higher your return. So you get. I also teach you how to also what minimize your return, like your capital. If you are risking maybe 10 pips, if you are risking I say 10 pips, $1,000 on 20 pips, how you can also make that 1,000 become 4,000. We just want 1 to 2 risk to reward. How you can also do that? We teach that as well. So if you take 3 wins, then lost two, so you'll be having a total balance of 500 times 2 is 1,000. 1,000 times 3 is 3,000. Abi now, so 3,000 minus 500 times 2 is 1,000. 1,000 times 2 is 2,000. So you'll be having a total balance of what? 6,000. So now from these two guys, there's a difference between the two. What is the difference? He is what willing to risk 20%, and you are also willing to what risk $500, which is just what 10% of your capital. Then see the return. You guys both take same trade, same stop loss, same risk to reward, but you guys are having separate different returns. Why? Because your risk per trade, like the amount you are using to take your trade, is different. So it is not about how long you hold your trade or how long you are holding your trade. Let this trade keep going. You want to use $100 to make $10,000 overnight. It's not possible. It's possible. Some people are doing it, but it's not realistic enough. Shey get? Because before you can achieve that type of result, it will take a lot of time. So it's not very realistic to get. So it is always advisable. They'll tell you sometimes you just need to take some calculated risk, that is go a bit higher. So you get, see now. But if you guys are to lose money, 500, so you more profits from this single hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes, you can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, I guess it was my own network from my own end.
Yes, your network now.
So now I was saying, now if we are having, let's say you guys are both risking the same $1,000, no more 500. Another way you can also make money, you leverage on your on opportunity. capitalize on it. So let's say you are also risking what, $1,000 on a single trade, oh, not 5 trade, on a single trade. So now you both, you guys both take, okay. So now the both of you are having a balance of 5,000, and the two of you are willing to risk what, $1,000 of your account, which is 20% of your account, and you have one risk to two. But one thing will change. What will change is your, yeah, let's say he is having a trade of what, 10 pips, and you are having 20 pips. So let's do the math. Let's go to baby pips. Baby pips, no this. Baby pips. Position size calculator. So now you have an account balance of what, 5,000. 20%. Stop loss 20 pips. NCPL, let's use GU. So now you are to use 5 standard lots on your own trade of 20 pips, and that's what you are risking, just what, $1,000 of your account. So if you are using so your return on this trade will now be what, 1,000 times 2 is what, because you're having 20 pips and you are targeting 40 pips return. That's one to two. That's 2,000 balance. 2,000 plus your 500 is what? Will now be 7,000. Hope you guys are getting why how I'm getting these figures.
Yeah.
So now you will be having what, 7,000 after the end of it. Let's say you win the trade. At the end of the trade, you will be having what, 7,000. Why? Because if we do 1,000 times 2, which is 40 pips return. Let's say target you risk 20 pips to what? To catch 40 pips. That's one risk to two. So now he will also be what, risking 10 pips. Let's say from that 40 pip move that you guys are seeing, you guys both see like a buy or sell on GBP USD, and he is only risking 10 pips. His risk to reward will now be what? One risk to four. Why? Let's do the maths. So now he's risking um 20 pips as well. 20 pips. 20. 10 pips, so rather 10 pips. So you'll be using 10 standard loads on this particular, and if it's to use 10 standard, then you also be risking what? Can you see that there's a difference? For you now, you are risking what, 20 pips. 20 pips is giving you what, 5 standard lots. And if you are risking what, 10 pips, it's giving you what, 10 standard lots. If we now do this what, this 10 standard times 40, because I've already even do the math, so you don't need to stress yourself. Just do 1,000 times 4 will now be 4,000. 4,000 plus your initial capital of 5,000, that's 9,000. So can someone quickly explain like the difference between the two? Like what can you see between the two? What is the difference? You both take same trade, but something changed, and you guys are both what risking the same amount, but you're having separate returns. Why?
Because of the pips.
Because of the pips you are risking. So now, whenever you are taking a trade, it is not like you're having why if you're having wide stop loss. That's why you will only say, I will say, we are risking 20 pips on other peers, and only on gold we are to risk what 25, 30 pips. Why? Because gold is very volatile. So we don't want to get stopped out before what before price now move in our direction. So we always risk what 30 pips, 25 pips on what on gold, depending. Then for GBP, USD, and GJ, we risk 20 pips. So now that we even sometimes we see trades of 10 pips, 15 pips. So let's say you are using 20, you are risking 20 pips risk, and another person is risking 30 pips risk. And you are both using the same amount, like, but your return will be different because of the pip. He's only having what small stop loss, and you are having a wide stop loss. So you should just try to look for trades that has what lower stop loss and what high potential. Hope you guys are getting it. So that's how you can make more money. Just look for trade that are having low stop loss. Then you still reach the same amount you want to reach, but you'll be having what a bigger return. Why? Because your risk is what is low. Like, I mean, your pips that you're risking is what is low. I mean, a smaller pips loss. So that's it. So by what is today? Today is Monday. So our next class will be Wednesday. I'll be talking more on news trading, how we can trade news, how you interpret news, all these fundamental analysis, how you interpret them. Because I don't think any of you guys can actually, although I've sent like some ways, like the way you guys can interpret it, I've typed it and sent it to the group. I don't think none of you guys can still interpret the news. I mean, can any of you guys interpret it?
Something like that.
Oh, my network is really bad. Let me try to
I'm fine. I was good. You just see the touch shit. Yeah, what you saying? Uh-huh.
my network was bad, so I had to refresh.
I be there, you know.
Okay, so maybe I'll just be ending the class now, and
Yeah, no.
we'll continue by Wednesday. But
All
just
right.
keep an eye on this gold buy. Let's see if we will get any opportunity for the week. And on I said we'll be having any news events. We'll be having the class on this YouTube live. Then any other classes, I'll be scheduling it for the VIPs. But the news will
All
be
right.
trading it live on this YouTube channel.
All right. Bless.
And have a great day, guys.